Hello. Today we are gonna change the tires on this world rate. Also with the AirTech high Fender, the new kit. It's here, especially made for the Tenere. Pretty easy install, so we're gonna do that together with the new tires, the Mitas Trial XT Plus for more off-road. Okay, this one, you have the brake line on top. It's with a bracket. When you remove the bracket, then you can screw this one for one. Here are the screws, and you just stick it on the triple tree. That's it. Easy play. And for this one, you need all original screws, and it's just remove the old one, and then you can press the new brake lines in here with the original mountings. So it's just quick plug and play, switch it out, and then it's done. So we're gonna do that now. You need to undo all the stickers from the brake lines. Not too difficult. They are zigzag, but this one is a bit tight. This one and this one, they go in the new thingy. So this one is going in here. Just put it through, and then it slides on top of the other one. And then you can use the original screws that came with this one. Then you remove this bracket that's underneath. This is the bracket that secures the brake line to the bottom of the triple clamp. I removed that so that it's just a loose wire. But the new Fender, this is the place where the brake line sits. So it doesn't have to be fixed anymore. This comes with screws. So just mounted high Fender kit. I placed two spacers or ringies on top because of the crash bars. Now it's completely free, as close as it can get, but it doesn't hit the crash bars. When the tires on, the brake lines will click into place in the original clickies. And then it's already done. Put some decals on it and good to go. Well, just putting the decals on. Motor still. Structured graphics. Just like the rest of the bike. So, front fender installed. New tires on it. It's good to go off-road now. This one has 6,000 kilometers on it. It's going off-road next week for the first time. All good to go.